फिल्म के बारे में?
हाँ, फिल्म के बारे में.
Yeah, I've been working for 20 years. I'm a professional actor, a professional producer, and this is what I do for a living. I wake up in the morning. I mean, all of us have to work for a living, and the only thing different I do is, compared to him at least, that I wear makeup in the morning when I leave for a job. He doesn't. But every day, I know there will be things which will go right. There will be things which will go wrong. That's how the business is. As an actor, I feel differently. As a producer, I feel differently. So I don't fear. If I was scared, I would not make movies. If I was scared, I would not act. If I'm scared to go wrong or fail, I will never be able to make exciting stuff like Ravan. जो डरते हैं वो ऐसा काम करते ही नहीं हैं. तो मुझे डर नहीं लगता, चिंता ज़रूर होती है कि जो मैंने किया है, उम्मीद है आप सबको पसंद आएगा. वो दिल दुखता है अगर it's like telling a joke and nobody laughs at it. So you feel, "Arey, yaar, I should not have said this joke maybe." I found it very funny when I heard it. So I don't want nobody to laugh at it. I really wish that everyone enjoys it, even if they don't, go completely mad laughing. So that's a worry, but it's not a fear. I'm not scared to make movies. I'm not scared to act. I was born to do that. So मैं डरूंगा नहीं उससे.
कोई एक ऐसा पल रावण की शूटिंग के दौरान जो आपको बहुत यादगार हो, जो जिंदगी भर याद रहेगा एक पल. कोई शूटिंग के दौरान कोई एक ऐसा पल हुआ रावण की?
बहुत सारे पल हैं यार, क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता था मैं घंटों लटक रहा हूँ तार के ऊपर. There were times, one day I got very angry. I started throwing chairs at everyone because I was hanging and I wanted to go to the bathroom, and people were disorganized doing something, and I came down and I was very tired, and I said, "Why is this happening? Why am I not being taken care of? Why do you guys treat me like a producer? I'm a bloody superstar here. You can't keep a hero hanging there for 2 hours." So I got very angry and I picked up a chair and threw it at a wall. And the funny thing was, it was that rubber chair, so it bounced back and hit me only. So I decided not to behave like this ever on the sets again. But yes, I did get angry one day. So I remember that as a thing that I have learned, that never to throw a plastic chair at a wall.
Hi Shahrukh, this is Dev from Stardust. Considering that amount of time and money that has gone into the making of Ravan, do you feel the film will somewhere near beat or just somewhere close to the records of box office records of Bodyguard? So what are your views on that?
तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन से ही लगता है स्टारडस्ट के हो तुम. I've said this before, yaar. See, every film has its own space, and I have never competed. I'm very happy, as a matter of fact, when in the last 1.5 years, 2, 3 films or 4 films have shown business like this. When I started making this film, it was a very expensive proposition. Comparatively to the returns you had, this seemed like a film which perhaps won't see the light of day. But I had amazing partners in Eros and T-Series and, such wonderful people, Google and YouTube coming on board with me. And it's not just about the monies. It's about the belief that they share of mine. And, they said, "Oh, for it to recover its money, it'll have to do business," which has never been done by any film. But in the last year and a half, I'm so encouraged that there are 4 or 5 films, and really wonderful films, all of them, in their own different ways. They've done such great business that I feel encouraged. Oh, so the business exists, the returns exist, so all my partners will not feel that I've let them down. So there's a sense of relief when I hear of the box office returns of the last 4 or 5 films which have been such big hits. They're called the 100 crore films. And I hope I can, make a film good enough, like any of these, and be able to reach those figures so my business partners remain happy. But I don't sit down and think about it. When I started making these films are not in my mind. Nobody even knew this business. So I don't specifically think of a film, but I'm very happy that the business has increased, and hopefully we will be able to also reach those kind of figures, inshallah.
शाहरुख, हाय, ज्योति फ्रॉम TV9. शाहरुख, आजकल प्रमोशन में यूनिकनेस आ गया है, चेंजेस आ गए हैं काफ़ी सारे. जैसे कि अगर फिल्म धोबी घाट पे हो तो धोबी घाट पहुंच जाते हैं स्टार्स, अगर रॉक ऑन हो तो कहीं कॉन्सर्ट करने लगते हैं, या तो फिर अगर पुलिस वालों की हो तो पुलिस वालों से प्रमोशन करवाते हैं, ट्रेन में सफ़र करते हैं. तो क्या रावण के साथ कुछ ऐसा यूनिकनेस प्रमोशन देखना मिल सकता है?
This is the uniqueness thing. It's a film about the digital world, the virtual world. And no one bigger in the virtual and the digital world than Google and YouTube, as a matter of fact. And to me, this is the most essential and essence-full association that Ravan can have, really. Because when you see the film, हमारी जो film है, वो सिर्फ, I'm sorry I speak in Hindi. Yeah, okay. I'll translate every line if you want.